Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong December love reading. So, if you are interested in your love life ngayong December, maaari kayong maka-resonate sa reading na to. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check my Shopee. Available na ang Protection and Prosperity bracelets, Zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And for you, Virgo, so ito ang inyong bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Virgo. Ito ay naka-sale, 20% discount. So, perfect pang regalo. Check them out sa aking Shopee. So, let us see, Virgo, what's up? Ano yung energies ng love life ninyo ngayong December for Virgo? 3 of Wands. You are manifesting your dreams. O yung iba may mga plano na magpakasal o kaya ikakasal pa lang, kinasal na. This is also growth, no, sa inyong relationship. 10 of Wands, heavy load. Maraming responsibilities sa connection na to, but I think kahit na maraming responsibilities kayo pareho sa relationship, inilalaban nyo nilalaban nyo tong relationship na to. Kaya, kayang-kaya. See, you have the 4 of Coins, material gain and material attachment. So, I think you're becoming more practical pagdating sa relationship, na hindi lang naman puro feelings, no? Kailangan din yung realistic side ng relasyon. So, ano ba yung mga plano nyo, pangarap nyo together, nasa na ba kayo dyan, no? Ano na yung mga na-achieve nyo ng mga goals as a couple. Ayan, so meron ditong 5 of Wands. Yung iba, nagkakaroon ng frustration, pwedeng may conflict between the two of you. Lalo na kung maraming pressure sa relationship, especially if you are both breadwinner sa family, okay? Or kung kayo naman ay kasal na, pwedeng marami na kayong responsibilities sa sarili nyong family, sa family ng bawat isa, sa extended family, sa parents ninyo. So, pwedeng doon nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict. You have the Ace of Coins. So, some of you are starting a new life, starting a relationship, building a family. So, kaya minsan maraming pressure talaga around it, especially if you are starting a family. You have the 7 of Wands. Meron ditong mataas ang pride sa inyo. Oo. But I think, kahit na mataas yung pride ng isa, yung isa naman, sinusubukan niyang magbigay. Oo. Sinusubukan niya na to give way doon sa person na yun. Kasi meron dito na isa na understanding. Mas understanding kesa dun sa isa. So, pwedeng ikaw yon or the person that you are dealing with. But of course, hindi porket understanding yung isa, tinatanggap na lang niya lahat ng tantrums or ng issues ng other person. May mga times din na nag-iisip siya, ano ba? Tama ba tong naging decision ko na to get serious with this person? 6 of Swords, better times ahead. Yan. So, I think, regardless naman kung ano yung mga pinag-aawayan nyo, you will work things out. Kasi pipiliin nyo na ayusin. Pipiliin nyo na meron kayong maipagmalaki sa iba, no? Or sa isa't isa, na maipakita nyo na you are going to be successful as a couple. You also have the Tower. Let's see, what is this? Bakit may Tower dito? It seems na magkakaroon kayo ng Tower moment. Yung tipong, labasan ng sama ng loob. Yung kailangan nyo ng ilabas yung, yung feelings, yung energy na yan para mabawasan yung pressure. So, syempre, pag nailabas nyo na yan, medyo kakalma, 'di ba? Tingnan nyo. Give and take. Giving and receiving. So, I feel like, yung, pwede kasing pareho kayo, no? Hino-hold nyo yung inyong feelings, parang nagtitimpi kayo sa kakulangan ng bawat isa, sa frustration ng bawat isa, until dumating yung point, no? Na, ayun na, sasabog. Oo, pwedeng magkaroon na kayo ng conflict with the Five of Wands and the Tower here. Pero eventually, no, ma-address nyo yung issues nyo sa isa't isa at maayos nyo with the Six of Coins. Kumbaga, magkakaroon to ng yung you're going to meet halfway. Okay? Ang tawag dyan, meron kayong agreement. Magkakaroon kayo ng agreement para maiwasan na yung issue or problema. Pwedeng merong papagitna sa relationship ninyo. So, ang triangle naman, it doesn't have to be a third-party situation for some of you. This is just a third person na magiging mediator ninyo, no? Na ipapaintindi sa inyo yung issues ng bawat isa. Okay? Pwedeng family member. Pwedeng kaibigan. Ang isa sa issue ninyo, pera, no? So, some of you are also dealing with a person na maputi. Oo. Light skin. Or a younger person. So, pwede kasing may sense of immaturity pa. Oo. Pwedeng yung isa, may pagka-immature pa, masyadong demanding, and the other person is, siya yung mas nakakaintindi. Pwedeng pareho kayo frustrated about achieving your goals and dreams, especially in your finances, in your career, to the point na kayo mismo yung nagbibigay ng pressure sa isa't isa. Yes, communication is the key. I'll contact you when I'm able to. Right now, my life is too complicated to bring you into it, but know that I do want to talk to you. Yes, communication is the key. May times kasi na iniiwasan nyo pag-usapan ang mga bagay-bagay. I'm struggling with codependency. I'm afraid to let go of my old coping mechanisms. Yes. So, pwedeng merong toxic habits, no? Unhealthy habits dito sa relationship na to, na kailangan nyo nang i-break, no? Parang, someone has to mature in this relationship para mag-work ito. Okay? Neither one of us is being honest right now. Why are we afraid to express ourselves? Yan. So, parang nag-hold back nga kayo sa mga, issues ninyo sa isa't isa. So, paano kayo magkakaintindihan kung hindi nyo sasabihin yung issue ninyo? 'Di ba? Parang, sometimes kasi we expect the other person na maintindihan tayo nang hindi natin sinasabi sa kanila bullet by bullet. Alam mo yun? Punto per punto. But, of course, importante na may communication, pinag-uusapan. Okay? Para ma-address yung specific issues. So, that is your reading. Virgo, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.